Welcome to the TU Delft, a campus full of learning and exploring. But there is so much more than just working. Meet Prometheus. No, not that one. This one. No, this one. Prometheus, the staff association at TU Delft. For employees, get together with your colleagues, meet new people, and relax. Or try something new. Prometheus is a bonus for all employees and makes TU life better. Join us at a campus activity, going behind the scenes of a department or faculty, make something at a lunchtime workshop, or come along to one of our free coffee, lunch or smoothie events. The Prometheus team will take you to the best concerts, shows, theme parks and sport events. Feel free to bring a guest along, and even your children are welcome during the many activities and workshops organised in the holidays. Regular day trips and holidays let you and a guest discover towns and places of interest in the Netherlands and over the borders in a sustainable and easy way. Travelling, music, art, culture, health, leisure. Prometheus offers it all. The wide range of discounts is an added bonus and makes your salary go further. Check our website for more information. Ready to join? Log in to My HR, choose My Details, choose My Staff Association, click on Register. Fill out the form and we'll see you soon at Prometheus.